Le ua I le wafu sa li atu e Savaii le awisi mawhanau lana se whaau I Savaii. Na Savaii. Sayang kwa te ali onu. Nếu mà đây là cũng là cứu cả cái ai định cho nụ mới đây bạn các bạn cá ao cua và các bạn cũng mua này nhiều quá Nonia, my cousin's store. I thought they're not doing it anymore, but they are here. Wait. That's my cousin. And if you kakau chicken. Lari di Savaii. Ya, itu ada mana tu caya. Yeah, the water. That's a big island of Savaii. Yeah, people start making their way down. We are right on the top of the boat. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you can see more of these videos, this kind of videos. We are in Samoa. Now we have arrived in the island of Savaii, beautiful island of Savaii, almost 30 minutes away from the main island of Oluwabia. Yeah, we are from Australia with these two sleeping. Hello. Yeah, now we have arrived. He's gone down. Yeah. Our rental is all the way down on the first floor. This is right on the top of the boat. So these boats carry lots of cars. I didn't count them, and heaps of people. We are very excited to start our adventure in Savaii because I'm gonna live and show you a lot of nice, beautiful resorts, hotels, beautiful beaches with white, golden sands. So if you decide to go overseas where to go, I'm telling you, come to Samoa. Very relaxing, very safe. You can walk everywhere during nighttime. Mind the noise. I think that's how it is when they start to. Well, I don't know what's the English word for parking, for particularly for boats. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, the boat is turning around. It's Samoa Independence Day, 3 days. This is the third day and people are traveling back and forth to watch and participate in a lot of events. So if you see kids with uniforms, yeah, they went to march during the parade to celebrate that special day. So this is island of Savaii. So at the second floor, we got all aircon, similar to this setting, with a shop to buy something, and then down the bottom is for cars only. What do you mean I'm rude? What did I say? Home of the icons rule. Oh, home of. Hi Olivia, hi home of the icons. Hi, Brenda. Okay. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm still trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers. So support me by subscribe, like, and comment. This is a new channel. So if I said something that sounds rude, I don't think I said anything rude. What did I say? I didn't say anything rude. Ngayon sa amin, Savaii. Yeah. Olei le wahli salong cheska. Ali fakaria kumakaga. Nai Savaii fakamaleba.
Did they say they were coming to Savaii?
Yeah. They came yesterday. Tafua. Well, Tafua Primary School. Tafua Savaii. Ele masisi ole au malanga I lo po fini. Mi o ni no o it's Tafua. So nice.
Oh, can you look at those?
Wow, so
Yes.
peaceful. I don't mind being every time anymore. Far away from everyone and everything.
Like the train, bring the fresh air.
Say mama, let me walk.
Warm air and fresh. That's why these trees and everything are growing well because of the weather, of the air, right? Warm air.
We're going to look for something.
This is
You'll see when we get there.
sister lives. And Shaka's wife, sister lives out there. But they were living in a port. You felt that? How far we go from here to the motel? Half an hour?
Not sure.
It's not far from Samoa, where you stay. Where you
Gosh, it's like an hour.
Really?
An hour and 20 minutes
Oh, yeah. Gotta go
from here.
You're gonna have a quick break here and then we go.
It's better road here than the other side.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's no potholes or anything.
Then our side,
Yeah,
where we went yesterday,
yeah. Looks like,
was a view.
All the building on the, see the rocks and all that?
yeah.
You know this, I
Oh,
like
yeah,
this.
they're built on top of
I
it.
like this
No,
plants.
on the solid rock.
Yeah.
So Tafua yalunya yuka. Then you Tafua yuka kaile waka.
Must be out by Shaka's car.
be waiting for us.
No, I don't know.
My brother-in-law started. That's where we are going.
Before they come to the port.
We probably slept in.
No, they
Now,
need
it was easy to come from the airport. So maybe they will be. Yeah. Brother-in-law. My with his wife. Not long ago, a few months ago.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we're gonna check in straight away. That's fine, Dean. Have a good rest, good break, and then we go.
So many banana trees.
Yeah. It's food everywhere. Banana, coconut, new, taro, cocoa.
Complain about chicken. Look at this.
Complain about the
Right?
the cost of the chicken. But look, they can have their own chicken in here.
You complain a box of chicken.
Fresh organic chicken.
It's $100 a box.
Complain about the lamb, expensive. And they can have their own what do you call
Chicken farm.
cattle farm, muamua farm.
It's too late. Ones are easy, but all the foods are heavy.
Oh no. Did you see the two from walking inside the house?
Where?
Oh, okay.
Must be wrong. No.
What?
Yeah, that's
No, it's not there.
No. Hello, Pa.
we.
What?
Who is that?
Oh.
Is it Helen?
I don't know. No.
Oh,
No.
there must be someone else. That's
That's
Well,
not
we're
there.
waving.
we were following. I mean, that's our family. But wrong. Yeah, keep going.
This car.
Among you see an island. It's a nice
There's a
area
beach.
Yeah.
with houses.
But I think they blocked going down the beach. Beach is just down there.
Yeah.
This is there was a road
Oh,
go
that's
down
the
there. Go
fourth
down the
one.
beach.
Mm.
They close it.
Oh, they're closing.
Yeah, right, you go right down to the beach.
Yeah.
Really, can you park and go them again?
This road is go all the way to the it's a minister's house.
Oh,
Big
this one.
house too, yeah.
Reminds me of olden days.
It's a big
And just not much.
it's middle
It's just
LD was it
our
LMS?
church.
Yes.
Oh, it's all that, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a full
So down
time.
here you just drive down there's a
Yeah, you
It's,
can see the beach. Yeah.
yeah.
Oh wow, the waves are so big.
Mm.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Water like here or something.
This is where he was born when my dad was shopkeeper here.
Yeah.
Yeah, down here.
Oh, he had a shop here.
No, I was working for Nelson
Mm.
shop
Right here.
down there. There used to be houses down by the beach.
Yeah.
But I think everyone go and have a tsunami. Everyone's move out of the beach.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Yang.
Got to ring them up, see where they are. It's going, we turn left and go down that way. But yeah, I don't know where down there their house is.
They taste a bit stale.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's no good.
Can't even miss it.
I miss it. I think the reception do it. Is it the reception? No good. Might be no internet.
Are they texting on it?
Yeah, I think there's no reception.
They say the house is down there. But it was ringing when we get to now it's over here, but no. I think that's why he didn't receive a call because he must have.
Yeah, there's no reception.
Yeah, I think that's why he didn't receive a call. Because,
But it was ringing there.
huh?
Oh, there's no reception here.
I think that's why he didn't receive the call.
Mm.
Because his phone must. His phone was ringing. I don't know. Can you ring my phone if it rings? Oh, you can't.
Well, I'll try.
No, because you got no reception to call from here.
Yeah, no.
But if you call from
Yeah,
the
it says
board,
emergency calls only
huh?
on the phone.
Drive down to where you remember and then ask someone. They know where.
You said the house right next to the beach. Must be this one here.
Must be that one. That
This
one
one?
down there. Blue roof.
Yeah, this one. Which one?
The
No.
blue
The next
roof
one is
down
blue.
there. Next
No,
one.
this one here. This is the house.
Is
Okay,
that their
go
car?
Yeah, I think that's their car. Go and ask, knock on the door.
Who? Me?
Mom,
Mum, go.
Why me?
I'll come with you.
go and ask. I think that's their car.
I think. Okay. So I need to go and look. Yeah. I think it's this one. I think it's this one.
Oh, yeah, it is. Hi.
Hello, hello. Hello. À mày đã không mắc kìa cô lẹ cái. Ba ấy cái nhiều. Ba đó. Nó đi mày. Dạ.
Happy birthday for the other day.
Ôi. When porque também eu leio. It's uncle's birthday. Também ela le posta. Malo. Vem malo. Oi. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Bahaya may salo. Yeah. Bye. This is nice. Very beautiful. Oh, I like it here. Yeah.
Did she leave you?
She did, but I think she went back to take her son to school.
Yeah.
And then Thingy moved here to look after the house, and then Uncle wants it done.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the brickwork. So this is a new house. The lady I was looking It's very relaxing. Nice view. Beautiful. Yeah, my brother-in-law, my husband's brother and his wife now moved here. Their daughter built this house. She lives in Brisbane and with her husband. Mga iya ole sa ole malu ole o nga sang. Vai pe le uhinga o mai ai. Ai ka mu o mai. Ole lady sa mo. Ba la po.
Oi, ala sik. Para ga ala ki kasi may afay kula. Yang makukulia ya ala po.
Bako fo ilan ba la po.
Yang naman ay naman.
Mga iya kele fa ngole fali.
Como fai nga ya pele como.
Iya.
Como fai nga pele.
Yeah. Oi. Sengi mawa uma ngai mea ya. Mea uma ia fa ngai. Mea ka poki na mawa uma ngai ya. Everything. Fa pipi ya. Se vai esse limão. Ala bebe si api ele. Ele se singa fua esa mele ele se ma. Ia langa le kuli asa wai le. Wa uma ko uma. La wa uma. Oi na no malo. Olela wa mawa ya wa mua ya tama uli. Oi au. Ya, se vai na ide. He mea na matogo mai e I Tafua. E mai. Ya, a futai lava mai no mai. So if I get for this video, soon. Vale, makile iyo ol mea lenga na yung matogo mai Savaii. Yeah, so we're coming here to visit our brother-in-law and his family. Okay. Ya, natu kakanga mai. Ile ya, kana ya fai na na salo. Fai salo ale kan. Ya. Fai. Ya, you will find it. Breakfast ulit tayo. Ya, ulit tayo liya mai. Yeah.
Hello everybody. We're now here in Tafua in Savaii.
Yeah. Enjoying his life here.
Yeah. Catching a nice breeze from the sea.
Pumpkin, tuna, and fresh bread. Coco Samoa. How are you? No rice salo. Fresh organic coconut cream, fresh organic coconut flesh. Yeah, one tila. Maybe rice salo. Yeah. Thank you for the breakfast.